We have extras, we have the camera crew, we have all the lighting folks, we have catering, we have it is
a whole production.
It is a whole production, and it kind of mirrors Font Awesome as a company, from where we went from 4 people in that original video to now 23 people, and we're kind of expanding, but at our heart, we are just making something fun.
I know you wanted to place the stickers today.
Yeah, if I could prep these ahead of time.
Okay.
So these are our mugs.
Yeah.
And
So guys, this is for the when we're shooting the plates of food that represent each of the different versions in the beginning, the version 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We shot this project in just one day, which is very different from the last few projects that we've worked on with Brooke and Knox Avenue. They've all been 2-day shoots. So on Saturday, we all met up with some of the senior staff and the crew just to go over scripts, storyboarding, costume design, some last minute production design stuff. We had to make sure everything had to go ahead before shooting on Sunday.
Dude, how are you, man?
Hello.
Thanks for having me back.
I had to fight for you, dude.
I know, you're like, there's
They're not happy.
there's another spokesperson. How are you, man? Good to see you. You look great.
Rob is so funny.
Yeah.
He's so funny, and he's such a perfect fit for this.
Yeah.
And I love that there's such I love that Dan and Jory love him and want to bring him back every time.
We gonna laugh, Rob?
It's honestly amazing because it reminds me of how much I love it.
Yeah.
And I don't get the opportunity to do it. And then you guys have such fun ideas. So it's not like your normal kind of regular kind of commercial acting, which is kind of dry. It's like you could be different characters or there's costumes or whatever. So it's like it's almost like a catch-22. It's like a comeback, and I'm like, yes, why am I not doing this all the time? Yeah. But it's like also like, but not every client's like this, not every job is like this. It's not how it, so. But yeah, it's a gift to be able to do this.
I'm gonna go over here for crew parking.
Talent here.
Roberto.
Talent's here.
Sure.
Don't worry about it. Talent's here.
What's going on, Talent?
Where? Where's Talent? Don't worry about it. I'll find it. How you guys doing? How's your night? You guys party after the ice cream?
Oh yeah.
You guys went
At our age, that was the party.
Awesome.
So we are here on location at the Pink Motel, Cadillac Jack's, which used to be a working motel and diner that has now been converted solely for use for movies and commercials and whatnot. It's been like the whole 10 yards, movie drive, all sorts of things. And we are here to shoot the promo video for Font Awesome 7. And once again, we're working with Knox Avenue, who has produced all of our videos so far, back to the very first original Font Awesome 5 Kickstarter video. It's just kind of weird to see that was just didn't have a huge budget for the original one, and we had to shoot overnight in a bakery. I kind of get everything in to now driving in this morning. It is
a whole production.
It is a whole production.
Full spread again, just like this. Just do it right here, but just a different bun.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's the biggest final version of the breakfast. And for that, we need to do a replating. So it starts on circular, everything starts on circular plates here. Yeah. And then at a certain point, we'll switch over to square plates for the big breakfast. And then there's a final level up of the big breakfast where we change to the heart-shaped header and the garnish. Did you see all that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So that'll be our final version of the breakfast.
I wanted to ask you guys, I threw a menu in the menu holder. You like that? All right, perfect.
Oh, do we have an extra one of those menus?
Something wrong with the menu?
I don't know, I gotta check. I gotta pull up the original design. It looks like it's missing something, but... Yeah, there's supposed to be this in the center. Oh.
Too late.
We're missing something?
Something didn't come through on the print.
Oh, really?
In the middle of the top, you're supposed to be.
Oh, darn. That's weird.
I don't know why. Is everything else there? That's so weird.
We can see what we can do. I mean, Jordan can add it probably.
I love that at least like when I do projects with Font Awesome, humor is just a baseline.
It's built in, yeah.
It's built into the whole process from the idea to scripting it out to just brainstorming. Oh, what if we tweak this or do that? Like, and on set, and then in the like, just the whole process is funny and it's fun.
I think the scarf would be great. I think it would be good if it covered his collar.
The collar, we definitely need that.
You're like that?
Yeah, like a fashionable woman with a cut down.
You are. Alright, let's walk to set.
Aren't you a little short to be a wizard?
Okay. Okay. That's not very nice. Are wizards tall?
I just pick one based on like the
Look at those sons.
I like it. I think that was the
So you've been doing these from the beginning. 8 years, yeah. My character was kind of patterned after the Milton character from the movie Office Space, and we've been having fun with it ever since. And they have been doing silly things all the time, and it's a great bunch of people for it with.
What I can say is that it is a rare scenario, especially in the commercial world. You know, you have a series regulars and co-stars and guest stars on theatrical and TV, right? You're always getting called back, but in commercials, they're usually one and done. So it's so awesome to get that familiarity and like kind of a family feeling generally is reserved for, again, theatricals because you go to set every day for weeks or months. But yeah, it's awesome to have that camaraderie, that family feeling being here.
Step to your left. Left.
Is it supposed to be hot?
Great, let's cut that. Thank you so much, everybody.
Belts off.